This is the rotation that we need to take seriously and we need to monitor right now. If you're in Statesboro watching this, now is the time to get to your shelters, lowest level in your house. Let's start off at 9 a.m. We are dry, so if you're in Savannah, you have any sort of morning plans on your Sunday, you don't need to cancel them. Eventually, the weight of the hailstone exceeds the force of the updrafts, so the hailstone falls to the surface of the earth. Temperatures are going to cool off tonight, tomorrow, low 90s and sunshine with afternoon showers and storms. It's early Saturday morning. We could be seeing some rounds of showers begin to move through. Heavier rain toward the late afternoon on Saturday. From Jeff Davis all the way to Wayne County, we have frost advisories in place. Strong high pressure building into our northwest. Chilly air because of that high pressure is funneling into our area. Cloud cover expected to stick around all throughout the night tonight into tomorrow before sunshine likely to return by the afternoon hours. Highs in just the mid 50s. Look at that, sunshine and clouds throughout the late morning into the early afternoon. No rain for us, but then toward the late evening a few sprinkles could pop up around Screven County. Tonight we're all going to cool back down west of the I-95 corridor. I'm thinking you have a chance to get down to 32 degrees on the immediate coastline. We'll stay in the 40s. That cold front is sweeping across our region. Tropical moisture responsible for the warmth that we have seen today. You're going to want to have that umbrella and rain jacket tomorrow as well. Temperatures getting up into the mid 70s out there. Hey, welcome back everyone. Let's kick things off here by looking at the headlines. A chilly night is in the forecast tonight. We're warming back up into the 70s tomorrow. Saturday looks dry, but a chance for some pretty strong downpours on Sunday before we cool things down and repeat the cycle again next week. Here's that high pressure. It's dominating across the southeast. It's expected to move to the east. Few showers kicked up right now in the Gulf of Mexico. We should be staying dry tonight into tomorrow. Looking at these low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s from some onshore flow on the coastline west of the I-95 corridor. Really cooling things down, back down to the mid 30s. So looking at the hourly forecast, even if your morning starts off a bit chilly, by 10 a.m. back up into the 50s and then 60s by noon. So any sort of lunch plans, no need for that heavy jacket, and a few higher level clouds will build in toward the late afternoon into the evening in anticipation for Saturday and Sunday's event. Now Saturday looks dry out there, sunshine and clouds, a bit warmer with temperatures in the mid 70s, so about 10 degrees above average, winds coming out of the southeast. And then look at that by Sunday, a lot more windy and even gusty as well, with some heavy rain in the afternoon hours, a bit cooler with temperatures in the lower 70s. So let's break down this next weather event. This is by Saturday afternoon. You can see mostly clear skies for us. Then here comes that front moving through to the east, winds beginning to pick up out of the south. We're going to start off most likely dry in the morning hours, then toward the afternoon. This is when the heaviest of the rain is going to move through right around 2 p.m. to about 10 p.m. heading off into your Monday. And then by Monday, we return with dry and clear conditions, a bit cooler with highs returning to the 50s. Wind gusts as well coming in out of the south before that front moves through between 25 and 30 miles per hour. Now, how much rain are we expecting? Well, up to an inch right now seems to be a good forecast. These numbers will slowly adjust up until Sunday, but I'm thinking no more than about an inch to an inch and a half. Now, tonight we are going to cool down to the mid 30s, mostly clear conditions. Calm winds out there, warming back up to our seasonable high right around 66 degrees. Mostly sunny, warm. Winds out of the southwest at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Let's look at the 10-day forecast together. It's going to be nice, warm, and even humid. Saturday into Sunday, there's that rainmaker and cold front on Sunday. Really cooling things down. Low temperatures returning to the 30s next week with high temperatures in the low to mid 50s. 60s return heading off into the next 7 to 10 days, but it's definitely going to feel pretty warm out there, even like a late summer, early fall day on Saturday with that humidity and warmth. Before that front moves through on Sunday, 80% chance of rain right now seems to be a good forecast, and we'll really cool things down heading off into next week.